This is a book on mundane astrology. Now, this book has been edited by my student Jayashri. Now, she told me there were so many mundane astrology predictions which were coming right. We used to predict so much on tennis, cricket, World Cup. We just went on doing that. And one day she said, "Sir, I think it's high time that we put a book and we teach you the techniques for people to make it into a book." It was the first book which was published by me. Of course, Sagar Publication had published this book across. Therefore, this is one of the book of its kind. There are no mundane astrology book which is there in the market. There has been some book by Shil Pandey and all those people which is not comprehensive, holistic, useful, which can be applied. This book is comprehensive, holistic, and you can apply this book anywhere. First chapter, few chapters talks about celebrity horoscope. How to read for the celebrities is being written there across. In this book, we talk about the celebrity horoscopes, and one of the horoscope which we had written was Mata Amritanandamayi. We are told that she would become world famous, she would be doing very well across. All those things are written. And one of the most important prediction in Tamil Nadu politics was, when will Kalaignar die? I had actually made a prediction 14 years ago or 16 years ago that he will die without power and he will die across. It turned out to be bingo that he died without power. And I also had written long time ago that Rajinikanth was not going to coming into politics. It was a prophecy which came true across. So please understand, these are practical techniques which has come true. I was actually given money by Sifi.com to write these to write the prediction on mundane astrology on the world events, and this was the book which was the sum of all the articles I had written across. In fact, I had predicted about the Iraq war in September of 2011, and it was copycatted by some of the biggest astrology names. I don't want to mention the names, but I wanted to tell the prediction about the Narendra Modi's government. Actually, they refused in Sifi. They told, first let your Iraq prediction come true, then we can talk about it. Then actually what happened, the Iraq prediction came true. And in fact, in the meeting, one of the managers told that none of the astrologer had predicted across. He told, no, we had predicted about the Iraq war long back, 6 months ago, and it was put on the top of the Sifi news list, and it turned out to be a winner. It turned out to be a real winner, and the orders started flowing in. The Sifi.com went into another league altogether because of that. So please understand, like these kind of techniques which are discussed across. There were so many predictions on the cricket matches which were given across, and in fact people used to get agitated when I used to say the India was not going to win the match. One of the prediction I had given was Dhoni will win the toss and will win the World Cup. Now somebody asked me, they said, how did you predict? We all know that the guy might win the World Cup, it was a chance, but how did you write so exactly that the toss will be won and the India will win the match? Now, do you want to learn all these techniques? Do you want to know how to predict about the matches? Do you want to know about how to predict the football events? Do you want to use the Prashna Lagna? It is right in there. That book is all the techniques are available. It is like a jewel which has many diamonds, and all that is given. And also you have a lot of charts of different countries when they were born. You do not have a comprehensive area where suppose you want to know the birth of Kenya, you want to know the birth of various people, you don't know. And whereas it has almost close to 120 or odd countries, horoscope is there. Sri Lanka is Simha Lagna. With that, I had predicted the death of LTT Prabhakaran and the end of the ELM4 war. Now, all those horoscopes are available. It is a guidebook. It is like an Encyclopedia Britannica for people who want to use astrology across a person. Now, the techniques are well elaborated for you, and also it talks about the stock market prediction. Now many astrologers will talk about the stock market prediction. In fact, A.V. Sundaram had told me once, among your most brilliant prediction that is about the stock market techniques still remains the thing. You are the only astrologer to predict the bull run between the 2001 to 4 across as a person. So if you want to know why that prediction has been given, it has been used. Now many people are very confused about the using the horoscope, whether they should use the India's independent horoscope, whether they should use the India's Republican horoscope. There are many horoscopes which are there on that thing. Now remember, India's independence horoscope is used by me for many predictions across. It turned out to be right. Now also in the COVID, India is having all the planets. From the moon, the 8th house Jupiter is transiting. So India is reeling under the wave of the COVID-2. And there are a lot of deaths which has happened across. You can predict exactly by using it across. Now Narendra Modi was about to be standing for the Prime Minister. Somebody called me and they asked me who is going to win the election. I had told it was Narendra Modi which was won across, and in WhatsApp it was shared many times across, and it became one of the what you call the viral prediction of an astrologer. Mine could be the only prediction which has become viral, and I told Narendra Modi will come back to power the second time. I had also had predicted that DMK would come back to power in the 2021 election. Like that, there are many success of the prediction across is there as a person. Many people were abusive of me in the net because they were very angry. There are many Delhi astrologers who are very angry with me because I had had a huge run in the astrology. There was one guy particularly named Manjunath Sharma who went on talking abusively about me in the Yahoo group, and it was K.N. Rao who had defended it across, and it turned out to be that many of my prediction had come true. I had predicted about the Taliban losing losing against the American forces and withdrawal of the American forces. It is there available in the net. You can definitely read it. So this is a book written by a master for the people to become masters. You are an apprentice in mundane astrology. You want to deliver something very big. You have to do that. I have not covered the weather prediction about it. It is well done by Ramachandran. Puyal Ramachandran has done an exhaustive study about the weather patterns, and he had successfully predicted across. I have not included the weather. I have not included the earthquake part of it as a person because those are all the areas what I have to do research. But you can know the political part of it, the what you call the match part of it, which you can really use for the mundane astrology prediction. This is a book which has to be there with all budding astrologers, and it is so easy and it is very comprehensive. All predictions which has come true has been put. Now many people ask me, now does all your prediction come true? No, I don't say that because most of my prediction come true. Even Sachin Tendulkar has an average of 50. I have more than average of 80% of my prediction coming true across. So I request you to understand and buy this book. If you are not into basic astrology but you are into advanced astrology and you want to do many things across, then this is the book which will be very helpful to you. We have not put the class for this, but in future we might put the class. and you have to understand, we have also combined with the Nadi principles of these technique, which can make a huge difference into predictions across. So I request you, it is for your own welfare, and you're a budding astrologer, no as advanced astrologer. This is a book, that's why they put a textbook for the astrologers. It's a textbook, you can use it and you can keep on using it till a lifetime across. Thank you.